Yeah, hey everyone. Before we get into more live exercises, I had one more topic I wanted to cover, and that is network security devices. So today we'll be talking about firewalls and proxies. So, with that said, what is a firewall? So, a firewall is just a network security device that modifies incoming, outgoing traffic, and depending on your security rules, it's going to allow or block packets. So think about it this way. No two firewalls are the same, in the sense that everyone has different security rules, different firewall, just specific access policies and items of that sort. So this is your barrier between the external world and your internal network because you don't want to have, let's say, some sort of virus or whatever it may be, some sort of malware from the external world that's trying to ping one of your devices. That's the point in the firewall. If the IP address is not known, essentially block it. So firewalls typically guard ports. So you assign ports in the firewall and what IP addresses can access what ports. So for that example, again, with this bad malware, let's arbitrarily say that it's an IP address you've never seen and is trying to access a port that you have security rules for. It's going to block it. So a proxy is a little bit different from a firewall. It can act as a firewall, but it's more of a gateway between some user and the internet. It's that intermediary server. So with that said, let's say I'm the user utilizing the gateway. Let's say I want to access google.com. What will happen is my user will try to access google.com. It will go through the proxy first. The proxy will then communicate to google.com, and any response from google.com will then go from itself back to the proxy, back to the end user. So, with that said, you can add security rules as well to a proxy. So, maybe let's say you don't want someone to access google.com, you can block that. And when the user types in google.com, it's going to be blocked via proxy. Proxies are also used for performance reasons. So, proxies can cache just local data, and let's say you send the same google.com request 3 times, it's going to cache that and it's going to have a quicker request time because it's cached in its disk. So proxies can also just be used. So let's say you wanted to add like parental rules to a, just like your child's, let's say, like Google Chrome browser. A proxy can do that for you. You can block websites you don't want them to access via this proxy. All right, sounds good, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.